This file holds your sticky notes data in Windows 7. If you are trying to move your notes to Windows 10, you have to manually copy this file to the new system folder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the path. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective SNT file solution for the tough cases near the end. The SNT file extension is a generic data file format. Without specific context, it's difficult to pinpoint its exact purpose. It could be associated with various applications or systems, storing data in a proprietary or semi-standardized format. Identifying the creating software is crucial for understanding its contents. The internal structure of an SNT file is entirely dependent on the application that created it. It may contain plain text, binary data, or a combination of both. Reverse engineering or consulting the documentation of the associated software is often necessary to interpret the data stored within the file. Sticky notes developed by Microsoft Corporation is often used as the source validator for SNT. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows cannot preview complex mobile assets, so specialized utilities must be used. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your SNT file and click Open With. If Sticky Notes is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If your SNT file will not open, do not worry. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, use Sticky Notes. Open the file using Microsoft Sticky Notes, the required application for the notes. Next, check location. The file is stored at %appdata Microsoft Y Sticky Notes, Sticky Notes.snt, older versions, and is not meant to be opened manually. Finally, use Alternative Viewer. Use a third-party SNT viewer or open it in Microsoft Word to recover content if the original app fails. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your SNT file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your SNT file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions. Make sure you've bookmarked this video.